Video card. Video card. Alternatively referred to as display adapter, graphics card, video adapter, video board, or video controller. And I show you how to put video ko yun. And yeah, voila. Pre, socket slot processor. Order processor can be placed with case, then this ano yun pre? Ulit niya. Okay na. Socket slot processor. Order processor can be placed with case. Socket consists of host adapter to put of processor that can be placed on the motherboard. There are RAM slot. Okay na? RAM slot. RAM for the memory in place on the motherboard. RAM slots. RAM slots depending on the type of RAM used for long output motherboard. Technically use SDRAM slot while the slot type using the latest DDR3. Okay na. These are ID cables. On the right side, is a red line on the cable that goes on the same side as power supply on the hard drive. I'll show you how to put. And yan. Voila.